Yeah, my name is Sean Andrews, and I'm the Manager of Field Services for Indiana Municipal Power Agency. We are a joint action agency political subdivision of the state of Indiana, and we were created to provide low-cost wholesale electricity to the municipalities in Indiana. We have 60 in Indiana, and actually 1 in Ohio.
My name's Jared Burcham. I'm the Operations and Maintenance Foreman for the Solar Department at Indiana Municipal Power Agency. Working in solar, one of the most difficult things to troubleshoot. Challenges we run into in the field are ground faults, which are very common, but can be very hard to find.
Right now, ground faults are one of the hardest things that we as solar technicians and electricians troubleshoot.
With a ground fault, that means you have a system that is no longer operating as it should and is in an unsafe condition. And you could be walking through a solar field, and if you put your hand on the wrong piece of metal equipment, you could be shocked and hurt. So with a piece of equipment like this, like I said, being able to narrow down where the risk is more efficiently and a lot faster also proves for a much safer working environment.
Because it's one of the hardest things that we do in this field. When you're out in the field working, you have to take in account for all of the different factors that you're working in. So not only do we have to factor in the heat, the elements, the cold, whatever temperature it is that day. So now you're taking that into account. Plus you're taking into account for the hazard of the array, the voltages of the array. And every minute that you spend troubleshooting is another minute exposed to those hazards. And ground faults can be very hazardous. So you're literally reducing the amount of time that you're exposing the technicians to any of those hazards that are associated with the job.